one most serious problem. In many countries, destroy homes, crops, and roads, and put people's lives at risk. But flood can be prevented or lessened if everyone works together to care of the environment and follow flood control measures.
Students can help by creating posters or campaigns that remind people to take care of the environment. Simple issues like keep drains clean or plant trees, prevent floods, can inspire others to act responsibly. President also took a big role in flood control. Everyone knows about growing gardens and canals, rebels, or streets because trust block the water's path post flood. Participating and communicating clean up that drives and segregation of waste help keep the building clean and safe.
Flood control is not only the job of the government, it is everyone's responsibility. When the community works together through discipline, cooperation, and care of the environment, flooding can be reduced. Together we can build a cleaner, safer, and flood-free community.